What's up mga kosa? This is Stone Cold Angel and welcome back to 9mm TV. Kamusta ba? For today's episode, we will be reacting to one of girl groups here in the Philippines. They are Dion. So with the song Bling Bling. So before we start, click on the like and subscribe button. Let's help me grow this channel. And without further ado, let's go.
Guess who's here? It's Dione. I don't care that
Wow! May suntok tong mga babaeng to. Dito sa kantan to. Yeah, may angas.
mapagpadala ng paglipad. Who you are, hanapin ang sarili na hinahangat. Sabay di maintindihan, di patuloy na lumalaban. Di magpapapigil ang never stop, I keep going on. But you know you see the look down on me, pero nandito pa kasi. Sa mundong umamang sa aking hapon, ako ay mabang panasalo. Can you hear my heart? Listen to the boom, 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 pow. Ngayon narinig mo na sigaw ng puso, kaya mo pa ba? Malayo pa ang dulo, marami pa kundi alam. Huwag kang susuko o kumapit ka lang. Sarili mo'y harapin, ika'y maging isang between. Oh baby, higit kanino, bling bling. Hey! Bling bling. Higit kanino, bling bling. Hey! Bling bling. Higit kanino, bling bling. Hey! Oh, bling bling. Higit kanino, bling bling. Hey! Oh, bling bling. Higit kanino, bling bling. Hey!
Oh, ayos. Maganda tong kanta nila. Makakapasayaw ka talaga eh. Kahit, kahit hindi ako marunong sumayaw. Pero, yun. May angas tong mga babaeng to. Ito pa lang yung napapanood ko sa mga, or napapakinggan ko sa mga songs nila. Pero, I think, may potential naman sila. Kailangan lang talaga ng support. So, let's go ahead and let's continue.
I see that your grip is tighter, but I need you to get out. You can't keep talking, I don't care. I just say, hey, you have a lot to say, but I think you should shut it out. Cause in the end, I choose to watch me winning like the sun. Tumakbo na dapat, tumayo, oh, it's alright. Ibigay ang lahat, in the end, you shine so bright. Drum and beats are not like boom, 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 hey, yeah. Halina sumabay, musika'y iwagay bay. Malayo pa ang dulo, marami pa akong di alam. Huwag kang susuko o kumapit ka lang.
All right. That's Dion with their song Bling Bling. Walang ya. May angas talaga tong kantong to. Um, itong mga babaeng to may angas din. So, I don't know them yet. Mga pangalan nila. So, I'll do some research pero I'll tag na yung mga supporters ng Bini na still a bloom. So, kailangan lang ng mga paminsan-minsan mga alternatives like this, Dion. Aside from visuals din sila, magaling din sila with their voices, their dances. Kailangan lang siguro ng medyo konting hasa and sponsors para naman medyo makilala naman sila. Dun sa mga hindi afford yung, yung Bini kasi medyo sikat na sila. You can go with this girl group, Dion. So, yeah. Aside from this, there are so many different girl groups. Hindi ko pa na re-review later on. I'll post it, post more together with some throwback videos about Filipino music. So, yun. So, please support original Filipino music. And, yeah. Till next episode. Capiche.